welcome to my channel. Today I am participating in a challenge called Thrifted to Gifted. So if you are new and first time stopping by my channel, my name is Sonja and I do also, my YouTube channel is all sorts of different videos. There's cooking, cleaning, DIYs, and thrifting. I like to share it all. So this challenge is hosted by Crafting Today with Rita Renee, and there's the one rule, and it has to be a secondhand item that you had thrifted, somebody gave it to you, or you bought it at a garage sale, that type of thing. So and you want to make it so you can give it to somebody as a gift. I had no luck thrifting. Went to a couple of thrift stores, couldn't find anything that was really speaking to me. Last Thrifted to Gifted, I did a jewelry box and I remade it and I gifted it to my daughter because she needed a little jewelry box for all her little jewelry that she has. This time around I was trying to find something else, something different, but it's just nothing was speaking to me. So I voiced my concerns to my mom, and she had mentioned that she has a couple things she's looking to get rid of to go through it. So I did, and I found, believe it or not, another box. Now this one is not a jewelry box, although it could be, I guess, but it is just a simple wooden box, and I absolutely love the design on it. I think it's so pretty, and I'm thinking I'm going to keep it that way on the outside. But however, I will do something on the inside just to make it a little prettier, and I'm thinking I'm going to make it as a tea box and gift it to somebody with the tea inside of it. So without further ado, let's get started. So here is the box, and like I said, I'm not crazy about the inside of it. So I have these little faces, they're felt faces, and they are actually sticky if I remove this backing off of them. So I'm going to cut them to fit inside the box. But first is I'm going to give it a good cleaning. Just using baby wipes to clean this up. There are some dust stuff here, so I'm just trying to get it out of the corners. This will not be going off, or maybe it will. You can use a solid piece of felt and just use hot glue or Mod Podge. I'm just using stuff that I have on hand just to use it up. There we go. So now for the inside, I've got a couple different teas. These are some of my favorite teas that I want to put in here. It's winter time. There are plenty of sicknesses going around, and having some nice stashes of tea to fight some of the colds is what we could all use at this time. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Make sure you check out Rita's channel down below, which will be linked, as well as the playlist for this challenge will be linked down below, so make sure you check it out. I'm sure there's gonna be tons of great ideas. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to press the subscribe button. It's free. And make sure that notification bell is on, so that way you don't miss out any of my future posts. I will have lots of DIYs coming your way next couple months, so it's definitely worth pressing the subscribe button. And although those of you returning, thank you so much, and I hope you all have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.